Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth edition. The point of our walk arounds is simple, transparency, to show you the things that do not show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights the options and features of this Abarth, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see any of those and get a free CARFAX report, an original window sticker, financing options, or free shipping quote for anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. Thanks again for joining us. Let's get to the walk around. All right, doing a quick walk around on the Fiat Abarth. Tire tread. This car is 7 years old, guys, 64,000 miles. It does have some imperfections, some chips that have been touched up here on the front bumper. A few love bug marks here, as you can tell. All around, it's actually a really clean car for the year and miles. No dents or dings anywhere around it. A couple other chip there that was touched up, but considering this thing is in amazing shape for 7 years on the roads. All right, to do a quick preview on the interior, no rips, stains, tears, holes, frayed stitching. Seats are in great shape. There is some chipping on the radio here, on the buttons, but other than that, the radio does work great. Back seat is also flawless. Looks really good for 64,000 miles and 7 years on the road. You guys come take a look at this. You won't be disappointed.